Are you tired of spending hours on tedious tasks in Excel? Imagine cutting your workload in half with just a few simple tricks. Today, we're diving into powerful Excel hacks that will supercharge your productivity and make your work life easier. In this video, we'll explore essential Excel tricks that can save you time and effort. From mastering keyboard shortcuts to utilizing advanced functions, these tips are designed for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to work smarter, not harder, in Excel. One of the quickest ways to boost your productivity in Excel is by mastering keyboard shortcuts. These time-saving commands can help you navigate and manipulate your spreadsheets with ease. Use Ctrl plus arrow keys to jump to the edge of data regions and Ctrl plus home to go to the beginning. Ctrl plus end brings you to the last cell with data, while F2 allows you to edit the selected cell directly. Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y are your best friends for undoing and redoing actions in Excel. Shift plus space selects the entire row, while Ctrl plus space selects the entire column. To select all data in a worksheet, simply press Ctrl plus A and incorporate these shortcuts into your routine. Next up is the powerful Flash Fill feature, which can automatically fill in data based on patterns it recognizes. This is especially useful for formatting names, dates, or numbers in your spreadsheets. Start typing the desired format in the adjacent column, and Excel will suggest the rest for you. Press Enter to accept the suggestion and save time on manual data entry with Flash Fill. Autofill allows you to quickly fill cells with repetitive data or sequences, like a series of dates. Enter the first two dates, select them, and drag the fill handle down to fill the series efficiently. If you're dealing with large datasets, pivot tables are a game changer for data analysis. They allow you to summarize and analyze data quickly without complex formulas or calculations. Select your data range and go to Insert Greater Than Pivot Table to create a pivot table for your analysis. Drag and drop fields into the rows, columns, and values areas to organize your data effectively. Use pivot tables to calculate sums, averages or counts and filter data to focus on specific segments. For example, create a pivot table to see total sales by product or region for better insights. To further enhance your productivity, consider customizing the Excel ribbon and quick access toolbar. This allows you to have your most used commands at your fingertips for quicker access. Right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon to add or remove tabs and commands. For instance, if you frequently use the Format as Table feature, add it to your ribbon for easy access. The Quick Access toolbar is located above the ribbon and can be customized to include your favorite commands. Click the small drop-down arrow at the end of the toolbar to add commands like Save or Undo. By customizing these tools, you can streamline your workflow and reduce time spent searching for commands. In summary, mastering Excel doesn't have to be overwhelming with these helpful tricks. By implementing keyboard shortcuts, Flash Fill, pivot tables, and customizing your ribbon, you can boost productivity. These tools are designed to help you work smarter, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your projects. If you found these Excel tricks helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Share your favorite Excel hacks in the comments below, and let's help each other become Excel wizards.